3. Shocking manipulative tricks people learn too late. Ever felt like someone's playing puppet master with your emotions? Hold on to your hats, cause today we're spilling the beans on 3 sneaky tricks manipulators use to control you. But don't sweat it. By the end of this video, you'll be the one pulling the strings. 1. The silence treatment. Imagine being left in the dark with no explanation. That's the silence treatment, but fear not, because we're shining a light on this shady move and showing you how to speak up loud and clear. 2. Memory manipulation. Madness. Ever had someone twist the truth to suit their story? That's selective amnesia. But don't worry, we're breaking down the walls of deception and giving you the tools to set the record straight. 3. The apology illusion. Get ready to see through the smoke and mirrors of fake apologies. It's like watching a magic trick, but instead of rabbits, it's empty words. But don't be fooled. By the end of this segment, you'll be a master of spotting the fakes. But wait, there's more. We've got quizzes and challenges coming your way to keep you on your toes and test your new knowledge. So grab your snacks, hit that like button, and subscribe to the Noaric YouTube channel for more eye-opening insights into the human mind. Let's tackle manipulation together and come out on top.